Mm. Good morning. It's been about a week. I missed last week from just lots of travel hangover. Uh, been all over New England, Vermont. New York's not part of New England, but I did go there and just got back from Connecticut. So have so many tales of worldly travel of the Eastern Seaboard. I'll save those for another time. So what I did learn though, down in the New York City. Um, Other than it being a much younger state than the state that I inhabit of Maine, and it being full of concrete and making me long for the beautiful nature that is grass and birds that are not pigeons, and trees, or known as multitude of trees gathering at one place together as a forest. Made me really appreciate where I was. I did like the lack of ticks, though. That was pretty sweet. I don't have to worry about those. And they do have coffee shops that have monthly memberships where you spend about $45 a month and you can get unlimited coffee. That is a deal, and if you have that, you should definitely get on that. Um, so yeah. But the conference that I was at down in New York was all talking about better conversations, and that was through the power of mind, uh, coming in with no agenda, extreme curiosity, and open-ended questions. And I can't go through all of it. I mean, it was a 2 day course, which is also now 3 months of continuing education afterwards. But there was something in the power of questioning and questions, and the idea of not just and how you question somebody to lead to better understanding that person, and that person are better understanding themselves, and also understanding when someone really reflects back at you and uses a lot of open-ended questions and helps you discover what you really want. It's a beautiful thing. And it helps you kind of better understand yourself. And so what you can do is, if you have a problem, for the most part, we know as humans, we know what the solution is. We just may not want to say it, or may not know it at the time. But with a good friend or counselor or somebody, they can lead us to the actual solution, or an accountability coach or a life coach, or say they can do that. And that's mostly by just open-ended questions. So if you're having a conversation with your spouse or somebody, just be really curious. Try not to bring past biases in, and just really try to get to understand the person by going through open-ended question. Why do you feel, not necessarily using why, but who, what, how, when, those kind of open-ended questions to kind of get to the deeper root cause of the problem. And uh, we, I had a conversation with somebody kind of talking about communication with my marriage, and it kind of opened up some eyes on where I find things being valuable and not so valuable, in areas that I need to work on. And it was just because I had someone offering really, really good open-ended questions, reflecting back what I was saying on myself to actually get a better understanding of what I was actually saying, which is amazing. And then allowing me to know what to do in that situation, coming to my own conclusion. And that makes me more motivated to actually do it, because it was my own idea. I wasn't told by somebody what to do, but guided and helped along by somebody. And so that's kind of the power of questions without bias, and questions with extreme curiosity, is that you're helping, or someone that's helping you, just kind of leads you to the solution that you already know. Like, again, we know a lot of stuff, and a lot of times we just need to be guided in the right direction. So just to kind of sum everything up, be extremely curious in conversations. Try not to bring past biases into it when it doesn't need to be. And use open-ended questions, and a lot of times we can guide ourselves through good questioning to what we actually need. And if you need more help in that, finding a life coach or someone to hold you accountable is always a great place to start. Thanks again for tuning in. I will see you guys next week. As always, please check out my website at joshwilliamsfitness.com for the latest content and thoughts from this guy. Have a great day. Bye.